Welcome to Roots of African Culture. Here, we explore cultural events like the Umkosi Wamhlanga traditional dances, attire symbolism, ancestral customs, and the powerful legacy. Our mission is to educate, preserve, and respectfully showcase African heritage. Subscribe to learn, celebrate, and connect with the spirit of Africa.
We remember red earth on my feet, palm wine on my tongue, grandma by the fire, teaching where we from. She said, child, stand tall like the Iroko tree. Your blood is a river running back to me. I am rooted like drums in the ground. Hey! When they call, all the spirits come down. We answer. Voices rise, warriors in the sound. And strong ancestors marching all around. Oh, scars on my father tell 1,000 fights. Not for gold, not for glory, just to hold our life. Lion in my chest now, roaring through my veins.